Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the covalent bond and its types. Beta, you all know what is covalent bond. Covalent bond is the bond formed by mutual overlapping of electrons between two atoms. Covalent bond is the bond formed by mutual sharing of electrons between two atoms. Beta, mutual sharing means shared pair of electron given by both, shared by both. Mutual sharing means shared pair of electron given by both and shared by both. Example, beta, suppose we have formation of hydrogen molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms. Each hydrogen have one electron in outermost shell. To complete the duplet, one hydrogen share the electron of other in the same way. So this shared pair of electron given by both, shared by both. Then the bond formed is known as covalent bond. Then the bond formed is known as covalent bond. Now, question is, how many types of covalent bond? Beta, single covalent bond, double covalent bond, triple covalent bond. Are note the types of covalent bond. You study types of covalent bond, single covalent bond, double or triple in your 10th class. But nowadays in your 11th class, covalent bond is of two types. Covalent bond is of two types. First one is the sigma covalent bond. And another one is the pi covalent bond. Pi covalent bond. Beta, sigma covalent bond is the bond or is the covalent bond formed between two atoms by overlapping of atomic orbital along the internuclear axis. It means when two atomic orbitals overlap with each other, they overlap head to tail. It means when we want to define or explain what is sigma covalent bond. Beta, sigma covalent bond is the covalent bond formed by mutual sharing of electron in which atomic orbitals overlap along the internuclear axis. Beta, internuclear axis means the axis pass through the nucleus of atomic orbital. For example, we have s orbital. Also another one is also s orbital. This is the nucleus of this s orbital. This is the nucleus of this s orbital. When we pass the axis through nuclei of two atomic orbitals, this axis is known as internuclear axis. Beta, this axis is known as internuclear axis. When these atomic orbitals overlap with each other, These atomic orbitals overlap with each other along the internuclear axis, means internuclear axis passes through these nuclei and overlapping take place on the internuclear axis. That is known as along the internuclear axis. The bond formed, probability of finding of electron is maximum here. Then the orbital formed is just like probability of finding of electron is maximum here. These are nuclei and this is known as sigma molecular orbital. These are atomic orbital and this is molecular orbital. Beta, atomic orbital is had single nucleus, but molecular orbital have many nuclei or pair of nucleus. And the bond formed is known as sigma bond, and this orbital is known as sigma bonded orbital. That means sigma bond is the bond formed by mutual sharing of electron in which atomic orbital overlap along the internuclear axis. The bond formed is known as sigma bond. Representation of sigma bond is this one. Beta, sigma bond is formed between s orbital. It is one of the characteristic. Sigma bond is formed in s orbital. Beta, these orbitals are of same energy or approximate same energy. And beta, pz orbital. We have p orbital. P orbital have three orientation: px, py and pz. Out of these three, only pz form sigma bond. pz orbital of one atom, pz orbital of another atom. They overlap with each other. Overlapping take place along the internuclear axis, means overlapping between these two pz orbitals take place on the internuclear axis. This is one pz orbital. This is another pz orbital. Overlapping take place on the internuclear axis. The bond formed is known as sigma bond. Probability of finding of electron in molecule is maximum here. So, if you want to draw the structure of sigma orbital for pz, probability of finding of electron is maximum here and minimum at the terminal. Sigma pz orbital. Then we can say sigma bond is formed between s orbital, between pz orbital and also with spz orbital. Beta, due to spherical shape and pz along the internuclear axis, they overlap with each other. This is pz orbital, this is s orbital. When they overlap each other, overlapping take place on the internuclear axis. This is s orbital, this is pz orbital. Overlapping between these two occur on the internuclear axis. Then this is known as s pz sigma orbital, or bond formed is known as sigma bond. Probability of finding of electron is maximum here, so it will form shape like this. Sigma spz orbital or molecular orbital. Beta, from here you will find out the